Hi, my name is Garrett Murphy, and I'm here with Luis Castillo. We're going to talk to you about Murphy Mobility, where our goal is to help people heal faster and better from ankle injury, improving overall quality of life through motion. Now think of your body as a house, and in that house, your ankles are your foundation. If the foundation of a building is cracked, then that can create problems throughout the structure. The same is true for your body. If your ankles are damaged, then that can create problems throughout the kinetic chain. And I know this from personal experience through sustaining a significant ankle injury in a dirt bike accident that never healed properly. Subsequently, I developed arthritis, and it took me 10 years to find a surgery that could provide me some relief. Now, this surgery was very invasive, followed by an extensive recovery involving 18 months of physical therapy, where I had the opportunity to experience the benefits of physical therapy firsthand. Physical therapy can truly give people their lives back, both mentally and physically. Now, I hurt my ankle in a motorcycle crash. Plenty of people hurt their ankle every day, just rolling their ankle on a rock when they're walking down a trail, or stepping off of a curb the wrong way. This injury is common. It's so common, in fact, that almost half of all sports injuries are ankle-related. In fact, there are 25,000 ankle sprains per day and 696 ankle fractures per day in the US alone. And based on these numbers, the market for therapy devices related to the foot and ankle is projected to reach $5.2 billion by the year 2020. Now, our contribution to the patient recovery from this very common injury is the Murphy Mobility device. The purpose of this device is to provide a simple, easy-to-use piece of equipment for all patient populations. It utilizes the Mulligan mobilization technique to provide a clinically proven method made basic for the individual. Now, I say individual because this is huge for me. Throughout my recovery, the Mulligan mobilizations helped me immensely. However, the only way for me to do these exercises was within the clinic with the help of the physical therapist. This device allows the patient to do these exercises as part of a home PT program, or when used within the clinic. This improves efficiency for the physical therapy clinic and improves productivity for the physical therapist, being that now they can assign these exercises to a patient instead of manually doing these exercises every single time, allowing them to see more patients on any given day. The Murphy ROM is a measurement tool which will be linked with our app. The ROM system consists of two sensors, one embedded within the foot platform and another one that's mounted on the strap that wraps around the patient's calf. These two sensors take range of motion measurements whenever a patient is using the device.
The progress that we have made since May is an adjustable ball joint that can adapt to the natural arthrokinematics of an ankle. We developed a system that can provide the same tension as a physical therapist would when performing the Mulligan mobilization technique. Also, we developed a basic app that can control the device, and our patent application is finished and submitted. We're patent protected. What's coming up for Murphy Mobility is to upgrade the app and then link it to the ROM system. We're going to test the motor as well and make sure that the motor is delivering enough torque for the exercise. And also we're going to keep increasing our CRM system that right now we have 100 people and our goal is to get 1,000 people. Our plan for Murphy Mobility for the coming months is to finalize the device by end of October, start our pilot program by the beginning of November, and launch our Kickstarter by mid-November.
This enabled technology streamlines communication between the patient, physician, and the physical therapist. This allows the physician to track a patient's progress through recovery. It allows the physical therapist to change or modify a treatment program based on range of motion measurements taken on a day-to-day basis, improving recovery for the patient.
Optiflex and Kinera Breva are our main competitors, and as we can see in the chart, there is a significant difference in price points. We're the only company that targets all the ranges of motion and includes data sensors. Also, our simple design guarantees a user-friendly experience.
So far, we've identified our pilot programs, we've obtained endorsements from professionals in the field, and we are about 3 weeks from finalizing our prototype. We are asking for $50,000 to fund our initial 12 units, further our software and sensor development, marketing, and to cover costs associated with the pilot program. Now, we'd like to leave you with a quote from Dr. Logan J. Sullivan, who will be heading our pilot program at Exos, a professional athlete training center here in the Valley where they train and rehab athletes from the MLB, NFL, NHL, and Olympic track and field program. And both Luis and I would truly like to thank ASU for this opportunity.